Okay, Mr. Herrera, court is not in session. Please put you could turn your video off. I don't think he has audio. Hold on a minute. No, he doesn't have audio. Mr. Herrera, you might have to, you can't hear. Okay. Okay, Mr. Herrera, just make sure your audio is off and you can turn your video off too. When we call your case, you can turn it back on. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning, we have 3 dockets. We have our trial docket, our pretrial conference docket, and the announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are representing yourself or if you do not have an attorney, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. First case is cause number 25 CCCR 1984. Case is style of state of Texas versus Edwin Herrera. Mr. Herrera is on Zoom twice. Mr. Herrera, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Herrera, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jerry Gilthorpe. Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, good to you.
You're welcome. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Cornelius Williams. Attorney Williams, how are you doing?
Most excellent, Your Honor. How are you and your staff?
We're fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Gilthorpe, this case is on the court's pretrial conference docket. What is your announcement?
There's that case is going to be a plea. Mr. Revelo is sick today, or he'd be here. We'd take care of the plea this morning, but we've reached an agreement and we'll plead that case.
Okay, give us a reset date. What day?
Sorry, baby.
Oh.
I heard it too.
Okay,
She likes you.
February 23rd of 2026
September.
at 9 a.m. Mr. Herrera, your case will be reset until that day. On that day, you need to be in court in person.
Okay.
You're gonna stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will be given notice of your reset date. You're free to go, and we pray that you have a full and speedy recovery from your illness.
Okay.
All right. All right, you're free to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3. Vanilla, Cooper, that was Reynolds. Dennis Anthony Miller. Docket, is that announcement?
On the last page of the trial document.
Okay. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0962, case is style of the state of Texas versus Dennis Anthony Miller. Mr. Miller, is that your full name?
My full name.
How are you doing, Mr. Miller?
Great.
That's good. Now, Mr. Miller, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney John Macy. Mr. Macy, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Shane Hilton. Attorney Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Hilton, I have before me a motion in order to dismiss this case. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Miller, I'm signing this motion to dismiss. You'll be able to get a copy of this motion in order from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Okay, please stand in front of the court coordinator.
I'll give it to you. Okay.
Okay, you have another one.
I have one more thing. Thanks. Sean. How do you say it?
Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 1356, case of style of state of Texas versus Gavin Sean.
Thank you. Dan Tayson.
He's right there. Mr. Shashawn, your full name is Gavin Shashawn. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Shashawn, you're represented in your case by your attorney, John Macy. Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Mr. Shashawn case? His case is on our pretrial conference deck.
Yes, Judge. We'd asked for a 30-day reset. I have discussed this with Mr. Hilton. I applied for pretrial diversion, which was denied. However, we might be able to work something out, but he needs 30 days. It's my understanding.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to February 23rd of 2026. Mr. Shashawn, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Mr. Mason, is that your last case?
It is, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go.
Thank you.
And you have a blessed day. Christopher James Manuel. Show me as being here.
That was just reset, Judge.
Oh, it was reset? Oh. What was that reset date? Okay. Okay, then this is your only case,
I've got
Mr.
one more. I've got
One more?
Carl Hooker.
Okay.
That's correct.
Yeah, Paul Thomas Hooker. This is cause number 25 CCCR 1766. Mr. Hooker, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Hooker?
I'm great, how are you?
That's good, Mr. Hooker. You're representing your case by your attorney, Jeff Roebuck. Mr. Roebuck, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Hey, Mr. Roebuck, what's your announcement in Mr. Hooker's case?
We're discussing Mr. Williams. I think we're going to reset it for a plea. He's got some paperwork to correct, and he's going to be a formal plea offer. Then we're set for.
Okay, give us.
That's correct, Judge.
Okay, give us a
Thank you, Mr.
plea date.
Mr.
Okay, this case will be reset to February 23rd for plea. Mr. Hooker, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day, and you'll get your reset as well. Mr. Roebuck, and once you get your reset, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
You know, what I'm saying, no, on this for the basis.
Eric Lee Cacao. It's Cacao, your full name is Eric Lee Cacao. How are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Cacao, you're representing your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore, however, standing in for Mr. Galmore. His attorney, Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes.
Okay, and Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. What is your announcement in Mr. Cacao's case?
Yes, Your Honor, we just received an offer this morning from Mr. Cornelius, and he, at this time, needs to confirm restitution before moving any further.
Okay, give
Because
us,
this matter should be resolved short of trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
okay, give us a reset date. This case will be reset February 23rd, Mr. Cacao. You get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman, and you have a blessed day. Please stand in front of the court coordinator. Michael James Marshall. We have two cases. And they are cause numbers 24 CCCR 2797 and cause number 24 CCCR 2798. And Mr. Marshall, your full name is Michael James Marshall. How are you doing, Mr. Marshall? That's good. And Mr. Marshall, you are represented by Attorney Galmore. However, standing in Mr. Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Mr. Simmons have your permission to stand in, Mr. Galmore?
Yes.
Okay. And Ms. Simmons, what is your announcement in Mr. Marshall's cases?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Gilmore actually requested blood discovery on this matter. We haven't received it quite yet.
Okay. Okay. Give us a reset date. Okay, these cases will be reset to February 23rd, 2026. Mr. Marshall, once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you're free to go. You have a blessed day and have a seat in that second chair and wait for your name to be called.
Thank you.
And blood discovery.
We have one on the trial docket, Your Honor, Mr. Fultz.
That door's locked.
William Kenneth Paltz. Okay. Mr. Paltz, how are you doing?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Paltz, you represented by Attorney Dusty Galmore. He is not here. I have a standing in for Mr. Galmore. This is Haley Simmons. Does Mr. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Simmons, what is your announcement in Mr. Paltz's case?
Yes, Your Honor. The state filed their first motion for continuance on this case, and therefore we do not object. I believe we received that last Friday.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset date. Is defense continuance?
This was
State's
state continuance,
it's
Your Honor.
state's first.
Oh, the state continues?
Yes,
Yes.
Your Honor.
So it's gonna be reset for trial February 23rd?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
I believe Lincoln was reset already, Judge. I think
Yeah.
it's the last one for Mr. Gilmore.
Yes,
May I excuse?
yes, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Terry Lynn Williams. Hey, good morning. Mr. Williams, your full name is Terry Lynn Williams? How are you doing, Mr. Williams? That's good. And Mr. Williams, you're represented by your attorney Ken Jones. Attorney Jones, how are you doing?
Great.
And this case is on the court's pretrial conference docket. Mr. Jones, what is your announcement?
We're going to ask just if I may, Judge.
Yes.
Mr. Jones, if I may. The complainant in this case has completed the options class. I just need to confirm one thing with my office, Judge.
Okay, so this
Then I
case
can-
is to be dismissed?
Judge, I
If you
say that, Judge.
confirm.
I just need to pass it for now, Judge.
Okay, I'll hold.
Thank you.
Okay, y'all just have a seat and I'll give him a chance to check on it.
Thank you.
Okay. Kenneth Ray Bean Jr. Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 2981. Case is style of state of Texas versus Kenneth Ray Bean Jr. Mr. Bean, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Bean? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Bean, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Ty LeBlanc. Attorney LeBlanc, how are you doing?
Good, Judge.
And Mr. LeBlanc, this case is on the court's trial docket. What's your announcement?
We're ready. We'll be ready.
Ready? Defense, the state?
The state's ready, Judge.
Okay, we'll see y'all back at 1:30.
Well, Your Honor, before we leave. Sorry, Your Honor, I was just gonna ask, can we have like, again, once we have the announcements, Judge, and a setting, I'm thinking, of the trials, the order, we should be able to set it in the manner in which we'll go. We do have a person in custody. There are several cases that are also older than this one. The only reason why I say this, Judge, respectfully, Your Honor, I don't want to have 15 witnesses here, which would leave work before 1 if we're not going to go. If we have a set order.
You're not gonna have witnesses here today if the case is gonna start trial on tomorrow. Why would you have witnesses on the day if we're just picking a jury?
Then I misunderstood, Judge. I thought we were going to pick and start the trial.
We'll know that before we get out of court this morning. Okay, we don't know who's going right now. So right now the only thing we have to do is if they don't need to come, we could just simply make a phone call to him. Okay,
Yes, Judge.
that's all we have to do. And so right now, we just have this one case that's set for trial. Okay, until
Okay.
further notice, y'all be back at 1:30. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, he's working on, Mr. Salmon, you working on yours? Okay, and who we have, he's working on his, Mr. Adams?
Hey, Judge.
Okay, how you doing? We have, you have a couple of cases? Are you ready to make your announcement on your cases, or you? do
Yeah, I'm
you
ready.
need-
I'm going to trial with, Mr. Williams.
Understand,
I'm ready, let's go.
Okay, so, no, I'm saying you have other cases too.
Oh, let me see what I can do on, but yeah, I'm ready to go on trial at 1 o'clock. With Mr. Williams. We gonna go.
State is ready, attention to the ring.
Okay, see if we have any pro says. Yeah, I know. Okay. Now, Ms. Cooper, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Cooper, you're represented by your attorney, Nathan Reynolds. He was here earlier. And the state informed the court that they were going to dismiss the case, is that correct?
Yes, Sean, we had previously had an agreement that if she completed anger management, we would dismiss the charge. I spoke with Mr. Reynolds this morning and let him know that I did file that. He gave me the
Okay.
certificate of completion and
Okay.
before he left.
And I'm getting ready to sign the dismissal. Once I sign the dismissal, you'll be able to get a copy of the dismissal from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
With the monitor, as long as it shows dismiss.
Oh, we need to, no, I'm glad you mentioned that because, I'm gonna sign an order to have it removed.
Okay.
And you can take a copy of this order to the company,
Okay.
okay?
Your Honor, here's the certificate of completion if the court needs that. or-
Okay, that's fine. We can y'all make a copy?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is, signed.
Hmm.
Ms. Cooper,
Yes, sir.
you can stand in front of the coordinator that you reset. Let me see, let's see, you had a GPS, is that correct? Okay. I'm signing that order. You're gonna get a copy of this here
Okay.
order as well.
Yeah. Got Orange County.
Just have to see. Oh. It's right
Whenever they scan it into the system, send it to your file. PDF, I can get more for it later. You'll be able to. I'm not really sure about it. The big one is that you know, not. You'll see.
There you go.
2-week, continuous judge.
On
I
whose
just need-
case?
This is on, Mr.
Terry
Gary Williams.
Harry Lynn Williams.
Is that on,
There's on the, pretrial doc.
okay. So you need a reset?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, you said 2 weeks?
2 weeks is fine, Judge.
Give us a 2-week reset?
January 26th.
Oh, okay. January 26th of 2026. Mr. Williams, your case will be reset to January 26th, 2026. Your attorney's gonna get your copy of your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And Mr. Williams, you have a blessed day, and Mr. Jones, you have a blessed day as well. Okay, we have, Takash.
Oh, yeah. I don't. No. That was my bad. Is that your first decision, first trial? No, I know, right here. You think she's the first one?
Edison Omar Martinez.
I put it. I realized I just put one though.
This is cause number 25 CCCR 2430, case of style of state of Texas versus Edison Omar Martinez. Mr. Martinez, is this your full name?
Yes.
Mr. Martinez, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Mr. Martinez, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Martinez?
Good, thank you.
You're doing good? That's good. Now, Mr. Martinez, you're represented in your case, Attorney Todd Takash. Attorney Takash is not here. Standing in for Attorney Takash is Attorney Don Boudreaux. Does Mr. Boudreaux have your permission to stand in for Attorney Takash?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Mr. Boudreaux, how are you doing?
Yes, fine, sir.
That's good. Mr. Boudreaux, do you waive a record in Mr. Martinez's case?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Martinez, I have before me a document that is titled complaint. Let's see. This complaint was filed by the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. It alleges that on or about June 11 of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class C misdemeanor offense of disregard of official traffic control device. Mr. Martinez, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Mr. Martinez, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Martinez, I also have before me a document that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials, EM, on a line next to a box that's check nullo contendere, which means no contest. Just place your initials on this document.
Yes.
On page 3 of this document, there is a signature above a line that's titled titled defendant. Is this your signature? On the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yeah.
At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document that is titled discovery certification. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? And Mr. Martinez, before you sign and initial all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Mr. Martinez, are you a citizen of the United States?
State Harbor States Exhibit.
Any objections to State's Exhibit number one? No objections. State's Exhibit number one will be admitted. And Mr. Boudreaux, you've advised and counseled Mr. Martinez, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, sir.
And Mr. Martinez, your attorney, Mr. Boudreaux, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? And Mr. Martinez, your attorney, Todd Takash, has advised and counseled you.
Mhm.
Are you satisfied with his representation? Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Martinez, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waiver were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
We'd ask the court for a fine of $100 and repayment of court costs.
What's the court cost? Okay. Mr. Martinez, the state is offering that you pay a fine of $100 plus court costs of $277, which comes to a total of $377. Is that gonna be the total? Make sure it's the correct amount.
It's 377.
Okay, now, Mr. Martinez, the total fine is $377. Would you be able to pay that fine today?
Is there any way to do like a payment plan or has to be paid?
Normally, we could pay it today. We can, now, was he arrested on any days?
Probably.
No, it's a-
Not on this class C misdemeanor.
We
Yeah.
had to do the appeal bond, Your Honor, and I believe.
Oh, he has that appeal bond. They're gonna take the money out the appeal bond. And the appeal bond is probably what? Yeah, they'll take the money out of the appeal bond. There's an appeal bond. Well, you can explain that to me. Okay, now, Mr. Martinez, do you understand the state's offer?
Yeah.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Mhm.
Okay, Mr. Martinez, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Martinez, you're gonna stand at the end of that counter, wait for the bailiff. You're gonna follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you will go downstairs to the county clerk's office, which is right below this courtroom, and you'll make your payment. They will give you a receipt. Once they give you that receipt, you need to bring that receipt back up to this court, and you'll give it to the court coordinator, she'll make a copy.
Okay.
Then you'll be free to go on your blessed day.
Yeah.
And Mr. Boudreaux, is this your only case?
Or is that now?
Okay, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
I'll
You're gonna go
down.
downstairs with him? Okay, you can. I have, on the announcement docket, Tony Lynn Zeller. Tony Lynn Zeller. Mr. Zeller, your full name is, Ms. Zeller, your full name is Tony Lynn Zeller?
Yes.
How are you doing, Ms. Zeller?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Ms. Zeller. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marva Provo. And Ms. Provo, how are you doing? That's good. Ms. Provo, what is your announcement in Ms. Zeller's case?
Your Honor, we would like you to have this case retained on the announcement, the one we're setting, to talk with the DA and also to get some information.
Okay, I see this is, give me some bond conditions. See, this is a soft family violence case. I didn't have any bond conditions in it for some reason. I guess. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2088, case of style of state of Texas versus Tony Lynn Zeller. Ms. Zeller, I have a document before me that is titled Standard Bond Conditions. You'll be able to get a copy of this document before you leave. I'm going to go over this document with you. In this document, it states standard bond conditions in County Court at Law number 2. And it states following return of a criminal information in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition? Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition? And condition number 3, defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
No, I'm not by any school.
Listen to the condition. It says the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Okay, do you understand that? Now, Condition number 4 does not apply. Condition number 5 does apply. And condition number 5 states, defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition unless the defendant is a peace officer, as defined by section 1.07 of the Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn, full-time, paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition?
Yeah.
Okay, now, Ms. Zeller, if you violate any one of these bond conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, a warrant will be issued for your arrest. You'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand? Now, you'll get a copy of these bond conditions from our court coordinator. And let's see. This case is being reset. Is that correct? Give us a reset date. You want to keep it on the announcement docket, Ms. Provo? Yes. Okay, this case will reset to February 25th of 2026 at 9 a.m. You will get a copy of your reset and the bond conditions from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy of these 2 documents, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Okay, please stand in front of the court coordinator.
I have one more.
Yes, Calvin Thomas Jr.
I was informed he was incarcerated in Orange County.
Oh, defendant is in Orange County, okay. Okay, is that the only case you had?
Yeah, only 2.
Yeah, Thomas and Zeller.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you're free to go
Okay, thank
and you have a blessed day.
Okay.
Mr. Burbank.
So dismissal Tuesday.
Dismissal. Is that on Devondre
Yeah.
Berry? Okay, Mr. Burbank. Good morning. Okay, you have Devondre Berry. I have before me a motion to dismiss that case.
Thank you.
Is that correct, State?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm signing this dismissal.
We have a motion for forfeiture on the weapon, Your Honor.
So this sound signed on behalf of his attorney.
And that was our intent, Your Honor. He's currently vacationing in state jail, and there's no need to bring him back. We discussed this before, right after the felony was taken care of.
Okay,
So I'm signing on it. I'm signing on his behalf. In
okay,
fact, there was testimony during the hearing that those weapons were not his.
well. Can he forfeit a weapon that's not his?
Well, I could, if there is any possible claim of ownership somewhere down the future, you can't come back and say, oh.
How he's gonna claim ownership, saying that it wasn't his? You said there's some
It's like-
testimony of that.
It's like not owning a house, but you still have.
Yeah, but he got testimony. He got testimony that said it wasn't his. What he gonna say? He gonna come back to court and say, "Oh, I lied," and that's perjury. I mean, so what are you talking about? So he can't forfeit a weapon that's not his. Okay.
Well, take it
Now, what we can do? I mean, we still can dismiss the
saying-
case. There are other ways the state can go about getting a weapon. Okay.
But it's there.
Yeah, I think it's pursuant to Article, is it 18?
Don't hurt your neck.
Yeah, neck is neck. Yeah. Like I say, you got 18. What's this? Yeah. 18, yeah, 18.19. There are ways to get it. Article 18.19. I'm not gonna, he's saying it wasn't his. He doesn't even have a, yeah, no claim to it, so he can't forfeit it. It's not his. Okay. Okay.
We'll
so you-
also proceed with the
with
motion
the
to dismiss,
dismissal?
Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1542, case of style in the state of Texas versus Jessica Helen Wright. Miss Wright, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Miss Wright? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Miss Wright, you're represented by your attorney Tom Burbank. Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Miss Wright's case?
Your Honor, out of this incident, she was arrested for DWI, third degree or third time. And that's set for March, I believe.
March 9th and see, Your Honor.
March 9th?
Right.
Okay.
This should be dispositive, because if there's any restitution. In this. So then I'm. hoping
Okay.
it'll be
So this case is reset till March 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Wright, on that day, excuse me, Ms. Wright, on that date, what you need to do, you check in with the bailiff in this court and then go to the felony court. Once you're finished in felony court, you come back to this court and let us know what happened. All right, so you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And let's see, Mr. Burbank,
We're working on.
you working on other ones? Okay, I'll hold.
Yes.
Which one? Oh, it's, okay.
No.
It's all right.
Roy Lynn Owens.
Correct.
Good morning, sir. Doing
This is cause number 25 CCCR 1454. Case is style of state of Texas versus Roy Lynn Owens. Mr. Owens, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Owens, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Owens, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Owens, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Owens?
Sir, yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Owens, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Alvin Samuel. Mr. Samuel, how are you doing?
It's a great day, sir.
Now, Mr. Owens, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Roy Lynn Owens, on or about April 26th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. Mr. Owens, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to this charge, Mr. Owens, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes.
Mr. Owens, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked nolo contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Mr. Owens, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Samuel, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Owens, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
So tender, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Samuel, you've advised and counseled Mr. Owens. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Owens, your attorney, Mr. Samuel, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Owens, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows, Your Honor. It will be 90 days probated over a 15-month period of time, Your Honor. a $250 fine, 40 hours community service plus the interlock. Is that correct, Mr. Sanders?
That is correct, and we are requesting that it be a portable interlock device.
Obviously, no objection, Judge.
Oh, yeah, I think the I think by statute, it's, says interlock, vehicle. And by statute, I think the probation department will talk to him and they can send a motion over to modify it. That's how it normally works.
That's fine.
Okay. Now, this is 250, what's the, okay, 377 is the court cost?
Yep.
Oh, it's $100 for that. Okay. Mr. Owens, the state is offering that you serve 90 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you will not be required to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 15 months. During the 15-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $250 plus court costs of $377. You'll also be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee $15 a month, and reimbursement fee of $15. You will also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education and initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $133 a month. Will you be able to pay the $133 a month?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You'll also be required to perform 40 hours of community service. You'll be required to install an interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate. You'll be required to attend and complete a DWI education class, have an alcohol assessment, and you'll be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Mr. Owens, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offering your case is fair and just?
Yes, Your Honor.
You accept the state's offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Owens, I follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Owens, you're gonna stand at the end of the table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you're finished following her directions, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Sammy, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a great day, sir.
All right, thank you.
Good morning. How about
Morning.
you?
Okay, let's see. Put us in session and cause number 25 CCCR 0068, case of Style, State of Texas versus Michelle Lynn Miller. And Ms. Miller, you're represented, well, first of all, Ms. Miller, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Miller, you're represented by Attorney Ryan Gertz, is that correct?
Correct, he's not here.
Right, now let me ask you this question. I see that you have another case. Did you hire Mr. Gertz on that other case too?
He knows there's three. We determined that in one of the first announcements we had here.
Oh,
Hmm,
okay.
I thought Kelly was supposed to come back over here. I think he was.
He went to Hardin County and then he's supposed to be back.
Which document is it on?
Should be somebody next door that should be.
You saying that,
Supposed to come back.
oh, okay. Tom Kelly, who works with Mr. Gertz, she said he's gonna come back, and so we're gonna have you to just take a seat.
Go sit again.
Yeah, and then when Mr. Kelly comes back, we'll call you back up. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
So Tom Kelly gonna make the announcements.
Okay, since we're now. There's no battery in mine.
Just put it on top of that. Once you can, hold on a minute. I could let you use this. He said that tablet went out.
I'm trying. It's all but
this matter set on the trial docket. I think that um, with the brief continuance, Judge, I think that I will be able to resolve this matter. There's some matters that I have to look into, and Mr. Burbank has shared some reciprocal discovery. I have to be able to take a look at it, Judge.
Okay, is that correct, Mr. Burbank?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna,
Respectfully, Judge, I think we can take it off the trial docket.
That's
Let's
up
want
to-
leave it on.
We just trying to.
Whatever you'd like to do, Mr. Williams.
well, I mean, we need to know whether or not, are you saying that the case is gonna be dispositive on the next court date?
Yes, Judge, I can make that representation.
Okay. And on that next court date, so you're saying a trial would not be necessary?
That's what I'm saying, Judge. It would make no sense to bring in even a jury on this matter. If we can just, I would say, set it for a status or an update, it could be 2 weeks is fine, Judge. And the
Okay.
appearance of the defendant can be waived.
Mr. Burbank?
I'm speechless.
I agree with you.
Okay, so we give us a 2-week reset? Yes, fine.
Okay, January 26th.
Okay, this case will be reset to January
It
26th,
should be on.
2026. And Mr. Tillman, you're gonna get your recess from court coordinator. Once you get your recess, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Judge, Kelly is nowhere up here.
He said, apparently he talked to, the prosecutor, Mr. Williams, and he said that he was gonna come back if he went to Hardin County. That's what Mr. Williams said.
That's correct, Judge, because we have a matter that was set for, we had a matter that's set for jury trial. It looked like that matter is going to be disposed of.
Now, let me-
today as well.
Now,
This morning, so he'll be back.
okay, now, but I think Mr. Gertz have some cases
Oh, I can't.
set on the announcement docket as
I can't
well.
speak to Mr. Gertz, Judge. I was just talking about Mr. Kelly. And I didn't,
Kelly was supposed to be standing in for Gertz, I think.
well, I
Is
didn't,
that correct? So are you saying Kelly has a case? Hold on a minute. Yeah, he has a case on the trial docket.
that's
okay.
correct.
Okay, so Mr. Gertz's case is gonna be reset. Mr. Gertz is currently in trial next door. And so, those cases gonna be reset. His cases over here will be reset. Once the cases are reset, our court coordinator is gonna call you up to a window to give you a reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay, and this is for all Mr. Gertz clients that's here today. Okay? Gertz. So we have Stanford Bruce, Stafford, Mr. Broussard. Your case is gonna be reset. Your attorney is Mr. Gertz. Okay, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You can have a seat. We'll call you up.
Franklin attorney.
So who is Ricardo Alvarez? Ricardo Alvarez? Okay, your case will be reset too. Just have a seat. That's another one of Mr. Gert's clients.
And Wright did text one of his clients and let him know that he wasn't going to be using.
Kiana Bailey. Ms. Bailey, your attorney is Mr. Wright Kimler. He's currently in trial in Orange County. So your case will be reset. You'll be given a reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And let's see. Brandon Gardner. What's that? Okay. Mr. Gardner, you also represented by Wright Kimler. Mr. Kimler is currently in trial in Orange County. And so you'll get a reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go.
Tell me about my job. We were strictly moved by missing, like,
Okay.
like back to back.
Okay. What we'll do, we'll probably extend it, give you a little bit more time. Okay. Oh, you're welcome. Brandon Gardner, is that correct?
Right.
Okay.
Damian Leger. Okay, now, Mr. Leger, you also represented by Wright Kimler. Mr. Kimler is currently in trial in Orange County, so your case will be reset. Okay, your cases, you have two cases. So once your cases are reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And the bailiff, the court coordinator will call your name to give you your reset. burning substance or any device rather convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have as an integral part a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapon made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is one, an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, or two, a replica of an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or for more information on how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, the court recommends you contact an attorney for reference. You may wish to consult the statutes listed below, which may or may not apply to your circumstances. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.292, Magistrate's Orders for Emergency Protection, Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 27.14, E1, plea of guilty or nolo contendere and misdemeanor. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 42.0131, notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code Section 46.02, unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code Section 46.04, unlawful possession of firearm. Penal Code Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond in a family violence, child abuse and neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking, or trafficking case. And Family Code 85.026, warning on protective orders. Now, the written admonition that you have in your possession is for your records. Ms. Smith, you're gonna stand next to the bailiff and follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be given a copy of the judgment and the dismissal, and you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Take it easy. All right.
Okay,
And I got another case.
yes,
I got, this is the, Gidry.
I thought we were gonna address.
okay, Gidry?
No, I just want to know what it is. I just want.
Okay, Willie Gidry.
Yeah, he's here.
Oh, Mr. Gidry, Willie Ray Gidry?
I'm good with that. Okay. I'm fine.
This is cause number M330398, case of South City, Texas versus Willie Ray Gidry. Mr. Gidry, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Gidry? That's good, Mr. Gidry, you're represented by your attorney Langston Adams. And Mr. Adams, what is your announcement in Mr. Gidry's case?
We reached a agreement on that case, Judge, for anger management to dispose of the case. So he signed the paperwork today.
Okay. Let's see.
I think it
So-
needs to be the
It's usually like 18 weeks.
next week in February or the first Thursday of February.
Oh, you have to sign up for anger management?
He signed the application for our office, then we'll get him signed up and get the information and he complete the class. So if we can have it reset to that February date, that should give it.
You get second week in February.
Right, it's an online class, so you
Yeah.
just gotta go online and take it.
Everywhere on the announcement.
No, just, yeah, you could keep it on, well, put it on a
Try to do with
pretrial.
the pretrial diversion.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because it's gonna be like a pretrial diversion. That's why I say put it in the second week. This is Gidry, first one on the trial docket. February the 9th. Okay, this case will be reset for February the 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. To give Mr. Gidry an opportunity to take and complete the anger management class. Mr. Gidry, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. All right, just stand, you can have a seated, y'all can have a seat in the chairs that's on the wall. You can have a seat in the second chair on the wall, Mr. Gidry.
I know it's for her, I got you.
Thank you, Mr. Gidry.
Thank you.
Cause he gonna take it.
I got you.
Okay, we need to get, this is,
Wanna get it?
Makara Kane. Yeah, Mr. Kane, get Mr. McCain out.
Don't wanna get him out?
No.
She don't wanna get him.
That's good. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Kenise Williams. Mr. Williams, again, how are you doing?
Okay,
Now, Mr. Adams, what is your announcement in Mr. Kane's case?
We're ready for trial.
State?
state is ready, Your Honor, and we do have two requests, and I hope that Mr. Adams join in with me, Your Honor. First request is that after picking a jury today, we immediately go into trial. And the second request is that we can inquire of the jury if we could go until 6 o'clock doing Fardar. We believe that the matter can be resolved today if we go straight through, Judge.
Okay,
I'm good with that.
all right,
I have no objection.
all right. Now, Mr. Kane, your case is gonna be set. It's the number one case,
Yeah.
so you'll be going to trial.
Yeah. What time do we pick the jury?
We'll pick the jury at 1, is it 1 o'clock? What time we have
Is
them
it
coming
1,
back?
1:30?
1:30.
1:30?
Okay, at 1:30.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
So we'll be going in your case at 1:30. Just follow the bailiff.
Hold on. I'll meet you back.
I never said.
Casey Court.
He's coming back.
Oh, that's.
So we got, let's see. Mr. Spradley, you could come on up. You're gonna have to put your paperwork on the table.
Not a problem, sir.
Let's see, that's Mr. Lang. Oh, 06. 06. Okay. Jefferson County Code Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in 2 cases. First case is cause number 25 CCCR 0006. Second case is cause number 24 CCCR 1218. Both cases are style of state of Texas versus Jordan Jamal Spradley. Mr. Spradley, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Spradley, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Spradley, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Spradley?
Fine, and you?
Oh, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Spradley, representing your cases by your attorney, Attorney Brian Lane. And Mr. Lane, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor.
And Mr. Lane, do you waive a record in Mr. Spradley cases?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Spradley, I have before me a document that is titled Information in Cause Number 25 CCCR 0006. And in this information that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office, it alleges that you, Jordan Spradley, on or about September 3rd of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of harassment. Mr. Spradley, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Mr. Spradley, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Spradley, I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. It's also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. Mr. Spradley, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir, I did.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document?
Yes, sir, I do.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that
Yes,
statement?
sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. You understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir, I do.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled
Yes, sir.
defendant? Mr. Spradley, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that it just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Lane, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir, he did.
And did you read it, understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Spradley, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
So intended, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Lang,
Yes, sir.
you advise and counsel Mr. Spradley, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, sir, Your Honor.
And Mr. Spradley, your attorney, Mr. Lang, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
I was satisfied, sir.
And Mr. Spradley, I will accept your plea of guilty I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargaining agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The essential terms are as follows: to ensure the substantive ends of justice are served, Judge. We believe that, in consideration of his plea, it should be 18 months deferred adjudication, 60 hours community service, a $250 fine, anger management classes, plus a parenting class, Your Honor, and no contact with the complainant in the case, Dr. Sandra Nelson of the Harmony Science Academy. Is that correct, Mr. Lane?
It is. Thank you.
And Your Honor, that is to run concurrent with 25 CCCR 1218.
What's the court cause?
277.
Okay. Mr. Spradley, the state is offering that you serve 18 months deferred adjudicated probation. During the 18-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $250 plus court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month. Your announcement fee of $15 a month. Reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments will be $111 a month. Will you be able to pay the $111 each month?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You'll also be required to perform 60 hours of community service. You'll be required to attend and complete parenting classes. You'll be required to attend and complete anger management classes. You cannot have any contact with the victim, in this case, Dr. Sandra Nelson. You will also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. And this probation will run concurrent with your next case, cause number 24 CCCR 1218. Mr. Spradley, do you understand the state's offer in this case?
Yes, sir, I do.
And do you think that the state's offer is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Spradley, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have made. I will now move to your next case. And your next case is cause number 24 CCCR 1218. And in this case, I have before me on my computer a document that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. This document is titled Information. And in this information, Mr. Spradley, it alleges that you, Jordan Jamal Spradley, on or about January 1st of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, excuse me, January 11th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense, false report to a peace officer. Mr. Spradley, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir, I do.
And to this charge, Mr. Spradley, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Spradley, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. You recognize this document?
Yes, I do.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. You place your initials on this document.
Yes, sir, I do.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature on the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document, that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir, I do.
And is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, Mr. Spradley, there's one box checked. The box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Recognize this document.
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled
Yes.
defendant? Mr. Spradley, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge? State, you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1.
So tendered, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Spradley, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
Will be 18 months deferred adjudication, Your Honor. There will be no additional fine, nor any additional community service. And it is to run concurrent, Your Honor, with 25 CC or 0006. Is that correct, Mr. Lane?
It is, Your Honor.
No community service, okay. See. Okay. CC. With number 24 CCCR 0006. Let's see. 50. What's the court cost?
277.
277. 50. Okay, Mr. Spradley, state is offering that you serve 18 months deferred adjudicated probation. During the 18-month probationary period, you will not be required to pay a fine. You will be required to pay court costs of $277 and a reimbursement fee of $15. You will not be required to pay a probation fee in this case because you're paying the probation fee in the previous case, and you will not be required to pay your analysis fee in this case because you're paying your analysis fee in the previous case.
Yes, sir.
Now, your total monthly installments in this case, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month in this case is $17 a month. Are you able to pay the $17 each month?
Yes, sir.
And you will not be required to perform any community service in this case because it's being waived. And you will be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. And this probation will run concurrent with cause number 24 CCCR 0006. Mr. Spradley, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Spradley, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into in these cases. Now, Mr. Spradley, if you successfully complete these cases, they will not result in a conviction on your record. And you may qualify for non-disclosure whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And I think, Mr. Spradley, you had a GPS monitor, is that correct? I'm gonna sign a motion, I'm gonna sign an order. Do you have that over there? The order to remove that GPS, okay?
Yes, sir. I go to the office and.
Well, yeah, you'll go, but you're gonna have a copy of this with you when you go.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Spradley, you're gonna stand, just have a seat and wait for the bailiff to, come back. And then you're gonna follow the directions of the bailiff. You'll be given a copy of the judgments and a copy of the order, to remove the GPS.
Yes, sir.
All right, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Lang, you're free to go. You have a blessed day
Thank you.
as well.
Good to see you.
Give him a copy. You working on anything else? Okay. Anastasia Whitehead?
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, Miss Whitehead. How are you doing?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. I'm Miss Whitehead. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Lori Perazo. Ms. Perazo, how are you doing?
Your Honor, thank you.
That's good. And Ms. Perazo, what is your announcement in Ms. Whitehead's case?
Your Honor, if we could just have just some additional time to finish reviewing all of the media in this case, so we just have one more reset.
Okay. Give us a reset date.
February 20th.
Okay, this case will be reset to February 25th of 2026. Ms. Whitehead, you're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Ms. Peraza, once you get your reset, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. And let's see.
No, no more.
Let's see.
Oh, I do know. Up there, oh. Well, your name was on.
Okay, Mr. Young, your full name is Omar Young Senior.
Correct.
Now, Mr. Young, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Marcus Wilkerson. Attorney Wilkerson is out of county in another court. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, he's in Liberty County,
Oh,
and so your case is going to be reset. And you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. All right, just have a seat in that chair on the wall.
Have we
Okay, Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session, actually, in 2 cases, cause numbers 23 CCCR 1614 and cause number 26 CCCR 0073. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Casey Dwayne Daugherty.
Yeah.
Daughtry.
Dory.
Doherty.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Doherty, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Doherty, you may put your hand down. How are you doing?
Fine, sir.
That's good, Mr. Doherty. You're represented by your attorney, Tom Kelly. Mr. Kelly, how are you doing?
Just fine, Judge. Thank you.
And Mr. Kelly, do you waive a record in Mr. Doherty's case?
Waive record, waive formal reading, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Doherty, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Casey Dwayne Doherty, on or about May 13th of 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense obstructing highway passageway. Mr. Doherty, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And to this charge, Mr. Doherty, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Now, you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yeah.
And are you pleading guilty because you're guilty? And Mr. Doherty, I also have before me a document on my tablet that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, I do.
On page 2 of this document, that is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1, there are 2 sets of initials. First set of initials are on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials here?
Yes, sir.
Next set of initials is below the paragraph that's titled waivers, but it's next to a statement that reads, comes now the defendant joined by counsel and states that I understand that I have a statute of limitations defense. However, I hereby forfeit my statute of limitations defense. Did you understand that?
Yeah.
And are these your initials on this document? Next, below your attorney initials.
They are.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature? On the next document that's titled trial court certification of the defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box is checked, states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Sure.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. You understand that statement?
Yes.
I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Doherty, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney, Mr. Kelly, go over these documents with you?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that Mr. Kelly went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Doherty, are you a citizen of the United States?
Sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1 into evidence?
So tinted, Your Honor.
No objection, State's one.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Kelly, you advised and counseled Mr. Doherty. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Judge.
And Mr. Doherty, attorney, Mr. Kelly has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, I am.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Mr. Doherty, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The agreement is a fine of $750 plus court costs, Your Honor. In consideration of the plea, the state will dismiss 23 CCCR 1614. Is that correct, Mr. Kelly?
That is absolutely correct.
Okay. And what's the court cost in this case?
$330.
Okay, Mr. Doherty. The state is offering that you pay a fine of $750 plus court costs of $330, which comes to a total of $1,080. Are you able to pay the $1,080 today?
Yes.
And Mr. Doherty, the state will be dismissing cause number 23 CCCR 1614. Mr. Doherty, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, I do.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Doherty, I follow a plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Doherty, do you have his judgment?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna stand at the end of that counter, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you can go downstairs, make the payment in the county clerk's office, and you or your attorney can bring the receipts back up to the court. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Kelly, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Safe trip. Safe, sir. You're very welcome.
It's good to see you in person. I think I've been seeing you on Zoom, huh?
Yeah, I've been a while since
Yeah.
you were here.
All right. Okay, court will be in recess until we, for jury selection at 1:30.